Yakane jingialang lalum dau IRS member Traffic and Logistics Inland Waterways Authority of India ubineyak azad hagabaladon lang ki officer kajala kinong khayi doyong kibalayo jingbet banti doyong kat kum kajuk start sayan bat kinong khayi motion. Habiakran bat kinong patay kubol ubineyak azad ulong kajing tmu bandlum yakane jingialang kalong banyakran bat kinong khayi doyong bat motion ban shimno dakilat kilenti ban khayi yaki marpo khando shakiwai pat kiri dakaba penkit yaki lyngba ki jhat ke ban yai lyngba ki wa ulong bakani kadai kajing tmu ban kentiu hakajing pendon kam yaki wa ni ki National Waterways kamtam hakathan chate la mingi jongkari bat ban pynshlur yakathan ban pendon kam yaki wa kibadon hakari uazat ulayatu bashen ansalum yakane jingialang bat kin letru ban jurep yakiwa kibadon hakajala Meghalaya kibaya jan bat kari Bangladesh ban pet yakajing he bat kajing jaleu jongki kenang ba ansothu bat ban la ban penya chakhamat yakakam katba uwei ni kinong khayi doyong kajala uba saje lalu ulong ba kajing khayi pateng dakaba pendon kami kiwa kan penduna bhaya kajing lut jingsam ladakan teo bat penya chakhamat yakane ka project hakajala ulong kaket kaba bat kibai kijing dan kam kilong kibakong santam haka khayi pateng kabala ban pinyap nikentiu ya kijing khayi ya kimar kimata kumta la dakador haka ket kaba kalong kabarem dor an amla ban pinya yo ya kimar kimata handrai la dakaduna dor kumta kajing dawa kanjur hakaleng kiri.
Meeting was the first meeting of its kind that we have held in the state of Meghalaya in Shillong. The primary purpose of this meeting was to have an interaction with the stakeholders in the coal sector primarily, but not limited to coal. It could be any bulk cargo like limestone or iron ore as well. We from IWAI would like to promote the use of the national waterways and the transport of the cargo, particularly the bulk cargo, through the national waterways. So the idea was to have an interaction and understand what the requirements are of the trade, of the stakeholders, and also we have with us the terminal operator who will be operating the our terminals at Pandu and Dhubri in Guwahati and Dhubri in Assam, which is also used apart from movement within Assam. It is also used to connect the Indo-Bangladesh protocol route as well as connect the mainland India through the Indo-Bangladesh protocol route. So this was an attempt to promote the use of the national waterways, particularly in the northeast, and also to integrate northeast through the rivers of our country and also through the IBP route. That was the primary purpose of this meeting. And there was a lot of enthusiasm shown because, as I was mentioning, this is the first meeting of its kind, and we took the initiative. Like, I have come from Delhi particularly for this meeting, and also to get them face to face with the terminal operator and also take any suggestions or inputs that they may have. And this is an ongoing process. This was just the beginning of it. This is an ongoing process, and we'll keep having such meetings either offline or even virtually, so that we are able to promote the use of national waterways. And also we also discussed on the possibility of the navigational routes in the rivers of Meghalaya. So I believe we need to work on that and do some further research on that, whether they are also feasible to be used apart from the national waterways. The waterways in Meghalaya are also very close to the border, and there was a talk in which some of the participants showed their interest in moving the cargo through those waterways. So we have decided to hold some kind of a rudimentary study to begin with, which can be further developed to figure out if those routes are feasible for movement of cargo or passengers.
Long kaduna paging kador tadangi transport igi marjongi nat lembati wa hapo Meghalaya ki janman ki district major district ni kidan ki wa ki balik direct shpo Bangladesh kaduk mentangin patap kita ki wa kuman syukran like kuman chong ne ba kum do muat bahaya ba napo Bangladesh ki wan ci India nang tu ban chudo mau pat like phaibe no tila dak ni kelai ke to shi river port tourism rukan kiu nang ta ka trade rukan kiu hunto kakum balang mutau doyong bat mausun wiak ne ke surat tentang surat kakang tentang kibon ke jeng penwet berpentul dok. Dari kiat nani pada kelak pen increase maybe 30% naga volume annual volume ke bah yat nagi surat no. Baca kau nak kan wanra ishibon ke jeng mutai. Yani sini.